In this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to do tracking of your keywords in your ad groups. And I'm in one of my ad groups here, the Bluetooth Headset ad group, and I'm going to scroll down here to the keywords. And the reason you want to do tracking is so you can find out which keywords do the best for you. And you also want to make sure that you cloak them from the advertiser so that they can't see which advertising keywords are doing the best for you. So I'm going to show you a right way and a wrong way to do that. And I'm going to go ahead and delete a couple of these out that aren't really applying. And we're going to show you how to do this right now. So what we're going to do is let's scroll back down here. And I'm going to go up here where it says keyword. I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to click on Edit Keyword Settings. And now it's going to give me all of my keywords here. And once you're in this screen, you can actually even set your cost per clicks for each individual keyword if you like. And the more you get experience with which keywords do the best for you, you'll be able to change these up, and you'll have all kinds of different numbers in there for your CPCs. Just for this video, I'm just going to make all of these the same, and I just click the little arrow there, and it makes them all the same. And then as far as the tracking goes, I'm going to just give you an example here. And you get a tracking code from whoever it is that you're using, whether it's Commission Junction or ClickBank or ClickBooth or whoever. You just give them a call or email them, and they'll give you a clicking tracking code. And it may have something like this. Like for this one, it may have best Bluetooth headset in the tracking code. And what I would actually do is, to keep them from seeing it, is change this to like 0.001, and then what I would do is keep track of that by pasting that in a notepad. And what you'll do is assign each keyword that you have with a numerical code, and that way only you know what that code is, but the tracking code will actually still be the same. And then you can just track per keyword. And then what you can do here in the Google AdWords is just click the little arrow here, and it's going to fill in all of these for you. And then all you need to do is go in here and change that last number, and just change it to whatever, and assign a numeric code to each one of the keywords, as I mentioned, and then put that keyword list with the numeric codes on your desktop somewhere so that you know what it is, so that you can find out which keywords are doing the best for you, but at the same time you're hiding it from the company. And see, the thing is tracking your keywords, you're not only wanting to track the keywords for clicking, of course, you're wanting to track and see which keywords get you the most sales, because some keywords will get a lot of click-throughs but not a lot of sales. And by having tracking codes like this, then that way once you go into your accounts, you'll be able to see which keywords are making you sales and which ones aren't. And at the same time, by using a coding system like this, you're actually keeping your competition, which in this case is actually even your CPA network that you may be using, or your affiliate network that you may be using, from seeing what you're doing and from seeing which keywords are the most profitable for you, because you don't want to be competing against them. Now, another thing that the tracking allows you to do is it allows you to weed out the keywords that are performing and the ones that aren't, because obviously if you have keywords that aren't getting any clicks or sales at all, then you can just take those out. If you have keywords that are getting a lot of clicks and no sales, you can take those out. And if you have keywords that are getting a lot of sales, then maybe you can start looking for some similar keywords that would do just as well. So that's the reason why it's so important to track your keywords, because you may have just a slight little variation that might do better, and by getting rid of other keywords that are costing you money, then you can put keywords in there that will make you money. And that's the whole bottom line to doing Google AdWords, is you want to be as proficient at it as possible so that you're not just throwing money out the window, because it can get quite expensive. So tracking is crucial if you're using Google AdWords. Now, tracking your keywords can be the difference in having a successful campaign or not. For example, with my selection here using Bluetooth, Let's say if I'm making a $10 or $15 profit on each Bluetooth headset, if it's costing me $20, then it's not really doing me any good. So I need to be tracking the keywords and seeing which ones are giving me the best ratio of profit. For example, I want to keep it, if I'm spending $20, I really ideally would like to keep it under $10 so that I'm doubling my money. That's the way I like to look at it anyway. But it's definitely crucial that you do track your keywords, and it's worth the time that it takes to set them up. It takes a little bit of time. If you've got 25 or 30 keywords, it's going to take you a little bit of time to set each one of these up. But once you have it set up, then you can just follow up and start weeding out the keywords that aren't working. And you can do it this way where you're not showing the networks everything that you're doing. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you next time.